Hey guys, before we get to the video, for more tips and tricks in the heating and air industry, please click that subscribe button. Thank you. Hey guys, Josh with Griffin Air and the new HVAC guide. Wanted to do a video that talks a little bit about maintenance on heating and air systems, because I have had a few customers here recently, and I've actually had multiple customers over the years, but customers just saying, hey look, you know, I've got this new system and I never had to do much maintenance to my old system, but now I do, and blah blah blah. And I'm here to tell you that if you were not maintaining your last system properly or at all, then that's not to say that you were doing things right. It's like saying you used to have a Ford Pinto and you drove at 100,000 miles without ever changing the oil and it rode just fine, but now you've got, you know, this new Mercedes-Benz that you just drove off the lot brand new and you think you can drive it 100,000 miles without ever changing the oil. It doesn't mean that today's products are any less than what they used to be or anything like that. It just means that you are probably not maintaining your system like you should have been before for efficiencies or breakdowns. And the fact that you didn't have any problems just means you were lucky. I just wanted to do this real quick video letting you know I don't really care what kind of heating and air system you have on the market. I can't think of a single one off the top of my head that you should not have it maintained somewhat regularly, and if nothing else, have a pro lay eyes on it once a year. Let's say you have a gas furnace and there's no coil that needs to be cleaned and this and that, and it provides your home heat and there's not a whole lot of maintenance that needs to be done. I'm telling you, you want to have a pro lay eyes on that furnace at least once a year, if nothing else, than to check the heat exchanger and make sure you're not having carbon monoxide blowing into your home or whatever. We're seeing more and more ductless systems being installed, right? You know, 10 years ago, that was not a thing. You know, they were kind of a luxury or whatever, but now we're seeing them in more and more homes, and folks don't realize there's a drain that needs to be cleared on those, and so on. So I don't care what kind of heating and air system you have. I can't think of one on the market that requires zero maintenance, no maintenance. I even had a lady once tell me that she lives in a different state and systems there do not require maintenance, and she thinks it's weird that systems here do. And so I had no response to that. I was like, you know, I don't know what to say to that. So I just want to do this real quick video. I don't care what market you're in. I don't care what kind of heating and air system you have. You should be having it maintained at least annually, if not more often, and trying to keep it running at tip-top efficiency and avoid big problems. So I hope that helps. If you have any questions, comment below, hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching. The last thing I'll say is if you're in the market for a new heating and air system and you're in Virginia in the Middle Peninsula or the Northern Neck, give Griffin Air a call. We'll give you a free estimate and the best warranty in the area. But if you're not in our coverage area, check out my new website. I've even got a little banner up here, newhvacguide.com. Check out that site because we've put so much information on there. It's as if I wrote a book telling folks, hey, here's the good and the bad. Avoid this or that. I've even got a whole page called no-nos, things to stay away from. And so before you spend thousands, check out that website. And finally, for more tips and tricks in the heating and air industry, click that subscribe button. Thanks for watching.